Hi guys, this is Tim Queen and today we're going to talk about fancy language in marketing and why you should avoid it at all costs. Now this is going to be a bit of a rant, but I seriously feel that our entire society has been infected by the cancer of using fancy marketing language. There is an entire new form of language that you will listen to in every TV commercial, in any television or radio commercial, on any advertisement. 99.9% of all the online advertising, of all the content editorial that companies are putting out, they sound all the same. They sound, if they are written by a corporate marketing person who has no soul, who's not trying to offend anyone, who's just smoothly going around trying to find a way how to express a very basic idea in very fancy words. This is very sad because what's happening that those words become meaningless. It may sound fancy if you're playing the presentation on one of your company meetings where everyone is listening and is super excited because this just looks like professional television advertisement, but nobody is thinking about this. Will the customer actually care? Does it actually matter? Do you have to use high gloss approach to doing marketing, or would it be better to do something way more authentic to get customers who really connect with your brand? Now I see that a lot of social media, when people start posting social media posts in that language, you get instant feedback. And what I see on all the different platforms that I've joined, on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, the moment you start using fancy marketing corporate speech, people will disengage. You will basically get no engagement at all. And no engagement means that nobody will see your social media post. When nobody sees your social media post, it will not spread. So all of your organic form of content marketing, of social media marketing, is going for nothing. And just by using the right words, you could switch this and turn everything around and get a lot of organic traffic for your business, of people who actually care about your message. Now the same is true for online advertising. You don't think about this, but I know for a fact using fancy language that doesn't sound like someone speaking person to person will cost you a lot in terms of click-through rate, a lot in terms of how much you pay per click, how much you have to pay for 1,000 impressions. It is driving up your marketing budget for ad spend dramatically by using corporate language. You get far better results by talking like a normal human being, by talking to someone who is explaining something to a good friend they haven't seen in 5 years' time. So there is another way how you're losing money for your business by doing and copying what everyone else is doing, by following the corporate marketing speech language that is infesting all the marketing across the globe. Now, if you want to learn more how to talk like a normal human being, how to actually turn a normal conversational style and put this into writing, make sure that you check out the description and send me a message. There's a link to my contact form down below and we can talk about how to implement this in your business. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do marketing that is actually attracting real, authentic users for your brand, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. And if you want to learn more how to build an authentic, organic following on LinkedIn in 2020, check out this link over here, which is walking you through my 50 steps how to build a following from 0 to 10,000 followers fast.